What is encoding when loading CSV in Python Pandas? Have you ever opened a file and seen a bunch of strange characters instead of the text you expected? This often happens because of encoding issues. Let's break down what encoding means when loading comma-separated values files in Python using Pandas. Encoding is all about how characters are turned into bytes in a file. When you load a CSV file in Python with Pandas, getting the encoding right is important. This ensures that text data, especially characters that are not part of the standard ASCII set, is read correctly. If the encoding is incorrect or not specified, you might end up with errors or jumbled text. By default, Pandas assumes that the encoding is UTF-8 when you use the function to read a CSV file. UTF-8 is a popular encoding that can handle most characters from various languages. However, not all CSV files use UTF-8. Some might be encoded in ASCII, Latin 1, or UTF-16, depending on how they were created. To make sure you load the data correctly, you can specify the encoding directly in the read function. For example, if your CSV file is encoded in UTF-16 and uses semicolons to separate values, you would write your code like this. Import pandas as pd. df is equal to pd, read CSV, file, CSV, encoding is equal to UTF-16, sep is equal to. This tells Pandas how to convert the bytes in the file into readable text and how to separate the columns properly. If you are unsure about the encoding of a CSV file, there are tools available to help. One such tool is called Chardet. This library analyzes the byte content of your file and suggests the most likely encoding. Once you know the encoding, you can pass it to Pandas to load the file smoothly. To summarize, encoding is the method used to convert characters into bytes in your CSV file. Pandas defaults to UTF-8 but allows you to specify other encodings using the encoding parameter. Getting the encoding right ensures that your text data is read accurately, preventing errors or corrupted characters. If you do not know the encoding, tools like Chardet can help you detect it. Along with encoding, you may also need to specify other options, such as delimiters, to parse the CSV correctly. Understanding encoding is essential when loading CSV data in Pandas. It helps ensure that your data analysis starts off on the right foot with clean and correctly interpreted data.